The Conductor Foundation is the philanthropic arm of Conductor that helps support the organizations that are cared most about by conductors and by our customers. We help organizations a variety of ways, and one of the key ways is by awarding the Conductor Foundation grant.
The Conductor grant allows us to give Conductor Searchlight, which is our content intelligence platform, to nonprofit organizations for free. So these grant recipients are given full access to Searchlight completely for free for the rest of their life.
The reason we came up with the grant was because there are a lot of organizations that we want to help, but they're using their resources towards furthering their mission. So instead, what we decided was to take the resource question out of the equation and instead give them the services and product needed to be successful and get their content found.
We've given the grant to a lot of great organizations in the past, including Planned Parenthood, the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, March of Dimes, the 9/11 Memorial Foundation, and St. Jude.
Our meetings are attended by more and more conductors every week that want to give back, that want to help and contribute. So it's a really fantastic thing that we've seen just organically grow out of the foundation being around.
And each week, conductors bring organizations that they want to do something for, whether it's fundraising or a volunteering project, or maybe they have a project going on already and they would like a little bit of extra help. So this month we have a clothing drive going on for Dress for Success, which is an organization that helps women get prepared for re-entering the workforce. And a few months ago we organized a 5K team for the American Heart Association.
People ask me all the time, Johnny, you head of the foundation, what are the organizations that you care most about? And my wife worked for a school in New York called the Caswell School that supports children with severe levels of autism all over the spectrum. And as a result, some of the older kids now come to the office every week and help around the office. They help do some of the daily activities that they're working to put together.
And this is really cool because it lets us interact with the students and see them progress each and every week, and it's incredibly rewarding and a great partnership with an organization that's very local and right here in New York.
You know, these kids have real challenges and we get to help them further their development and growth. It's something that I'm so pleased that we're able to do here at Conductor, which we wouldn't be able to do without the foundation.